quick, easy place where you can go to look up affiliate programs to find out if a company or product that you would like to become an affiliate with exists somewhere on the web. There are affiliate networks all over, from CG affiliate to Flex Offers to VigLink. There's all kinds. And you want to know, where do I go to set up a relationship with that provider? Here's a quick free, at least right now it's free, website. So up here you can see I've got affi.io. Head over here, and what you're going to do is up here in the search bar, you're going to type in who it is that you want to promote. So let's just say you want to work with Nordstrom. So you're going to go up here and you're going to type in Nordstrom, and you're going to get some options here. Are you looking for Nordstrom Rack? Are you looking for the card giveaway, or a regular Nordstrom? So in my case, I'm looking for Nordstrom. So I'm going to click on there, and I can see here that Nordstrom has an affiliate program with Flex Offers. So then right here, you can click over to Flex Offers website, or you can sign in. So Flex Offers happens to be another affiliate network, and you can set up your relationship with Nordstrom through Flex Offers. And then Flex Offers is going to be the one that pays you your commission. Now, you will notice that sometimes you might find companies that are in multiple platforms, and you don't really want to set them up. You want to kind of find your favorites that you like to work with. If you like the way Flex Offers works versus the way Share a Sale works or CJ Affiliate, you just want to set up your relationship with one of them. Okay, so that's Nordstrom. So yesterday I was looking for Highlight, because that's a fitness line. And as far as I could tell, everything I looked up, I couldn't find Highlight in one of my networks. But then I look over here and it says Highlight is on Flex Offers. So let's check that out. I'm going to go ahead over to Flex Offers. Oh, that goes to the Highlight website. Sorry about that. Let's go to Flex Offers. I'm going to log in. We're going to go up here to advertisers, and we're going to look up Flex Offer. We're going to look up Highlight. Well, I'll be darned. There it is. Look at that. If I hadn't gone over there, I was doing regular Google searches and I wasn't finding it. Now I found it. So 8% of all sales, that's great. And make sure which of your websites you want to be promoting with. I'm going to do that one. And then you click Apply Now. And you can read all of your terms. So this tells you where you're allowed to market. I can market on a blog. I can market on comparison shopping, search engine optimization, website content, no restrictions. So it looks like anything's game. Pay-per-click, all of that. Ooh, I like working with those kind of vendors or publishers. Okay, so apply to program, and now we'll know in 2 to 3 days.